Hey everyone, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. Now we are going to do the book exercises. Let's see the first exercise given on page number 48. Here you have to tick the correct option. See the first one. When Mowgli saw Father Wolf and Mother Wolf for the first time, he laughed. Number 2. Shere Khan wanted to kill Mowgli. Number 3. Mowgli was named by the wolf. The wolf pack? No. Mowgli was named by Mother Wolf. Number 4. Which two animals spoke to let Mowgli be a part of the wolf pack? Bagheera the panther and Balu the bear. See the third question. Why did Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decide to keep Mowgli? The answer is option B. Because they wanted to save him from Shere Khan. Come on page number 49. Here see question number 6. Which of these are true about baby Mowgli? Tick all correct answers. So we have to tick that particular statement which is true about Mowgli. Let's see the A1. Mowgli got easily scared? No, Mowgli didn't get easily scared. B. Mowgli was a happy child? Yes, tick on this one. Mowgli was definitely a happy child. C. Mowgli missed his parents? No, because Mowgli was so small, he was not realizing that he has lost his parents. D. Mowgli was not afraid of anyone? Yes, Mowgli was not afraid of anyone because on seeing the wolves, Mowgli laughed. So he was not scared. Next exercise is given on page number 50. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Students, this exercise is of prepositions. You have to see the prepositions from the box and you have to fill it in the correct blank. So this exercise can be done by yourself, and if you have forgotten about prepositions, you can watch the video of prepositions again. Page 51. Look at the pictures and say the answers. You can use the words in the box as help. Here also, using the words from the box and using prepositions, you have to give the answers of the questions. As you can see the first one. Where is the cat? The cat is under the box. Second, where is the boy playing? You can see in the picture, the boy is playing between the swing and the slide. Number 3, where is the pen? The pen is in the pencil box. Number 4, where is the bus? The bus is at the bus stop. Here we have used at because I have told you with small places we use the preposition at. 5. Where is the goat jumping? The goat is jumping over the stick. So students, if you have forgotten prepositions or if you are not knowing about prepositions, you can watch the video of prepositions again. Okay, it will be a revision also. After that, try to do these both exercises given on page 50 and 51 by yourself. Next exercise is given on page number 52. Choose the correct words from above to complete these sentences. Some words are given in your book. You just read those words. Those words are animal movement words. Okay? And then see their meaning, see their examples, and then after that start filling the exercise. Like crawl. You can see in your book crawl is written. So crawl is the movement of insects, lizards, crocodiles. Okay. So you can read and after that do this exercise. See the first one. The butterflies flutter from one flower to another. For the movement of butterflies, we use the word flutter. For the movement of horses, we use the word gallop. For snakes, we use slither. For monkeys, swing. And for spiders, crawl. So this you have to keep in mind. Okay? See the last one. Here you have to match. Okay? You have to see who taught that particular activities given in column B to Mowgli. So you have to match the characters in A to what they taught to Mowgli in B. First is Balu the bear. Balu the bear taught Mowgli how to eat honey. Okay, how to eat honey from beehive. So match accordingly. See the second one. Second is Father Wolf. Father Wolf told Mowgli about hearing, as wolves are having great hearing senses. So match this. And the last one is Bagheera the panther. Bagheera the panther told Mowgli how to climb trees, as panthers are very good in climbing trees. Okay, so match column A and column B accordingly. Okay. Thank you everyone. Hope you understood this book exercises.